this is a lot of hair to maneuver. To manipulate, no, it is a lot of hair. In love. Hello beauties, it's Wangalee with Two Chic Chicks here to bring you a hair video. Well, it's in regards to my braids. It's about that time, I'm about to take them down, and I was like, man, I haven't done what has been requested of me, and that is to show how I do my top knot, or you can call it a bun, but I like to call it my crown. It has been my hairdo of choice with having braids, having my hair up and tied up. And that was another reason why I really wanted the braids too, is because I wanted to be able to wear my hair in a top knot bun, but when I got them, I called it my crown. So for me, it's my crown. And maybe show another one or two other looks that I did with my braids while I've been sporting them. So it is a nice, easy, versatile way of just having a little flexibility. I have really enjoyed having these braids. At this point, it's just pure laziness that I haven't taken them down yet. So it's getting to the end of the time for me to have them, and I thought, oh my God, I have to get this video up. So guys, stick around and here we go. Oh, and besides, today I'm in a different area. My house is under mad construction right now. So bear with me, I'll probably change a couple of directions as I go along with these next couple of videos until we get this all sorted out in my house. So here we go. So I'm gonna start off with this elastic piece right here. This is what I use to get my bun, to put it in a ponytail and then into the bun. So it's just a big elastic type rubber band. It stretches and everything. And it didn't pull my hair or anything while I had it in or anything like that. So this is real good. I got it from a beauty supply store. And I think I got like 3 or 4 of them for like maybe $4 or something like that. And you can find these at any beauty supply store. I didn't try Sally's, but I'm talking about, you know, the little side beauty supply stores. So let's begin. I got a hangnail over here, so this hair is gonna catch on this nail all the time. So let me begin. So how I start off is I double my hairband. So it's like this. I double it so it can be tight. And then I flip my hair over. So I hope you guys can see. From the back to the front. Now this is what takes me the longest, is trying to put it in this ponytail. This takes the longest time. So here we go. You have to keep putting your hands together. So I think I may have, no. Try to do it as straight as possible. So this side looks like it's pretty good. Okay, so that looks better. So this is the hair. Now I'm gonna pull the rubber band off, or the rubber part. Now I'm gonna take the hair like so. Like I say, this is the part that takes the longest. Now I'm gonna start pulling my hair through. So I open the band up and I pull my hair through it. And try to get it as straight as possible. It seems kind of right. Come back on this side and I do the same. I have gotten so good with doing this bun, I don't even use hairpins. Now I'm gonna stand up with it and I'm gonna pull my hair through. Now I'm gonna tell you, I really didn't wear my hair down too much because it was hot. And I really enjoyed putting it up in the crown. I really did. I'm gonna get my mirror just so I can see what's going on in the back. Then I'll show it to you. I don't care for how messy that looks in the back. So I'm gonna try to straighten it up some more. Now, you can wear your hair in a ponytail, which I will push it back some, but I would wrap to where you can't see the band any longer. Wrap your braids around to where you don't see the band. That's one of those ways you can wear. I did get a chance to wear my hair like this. Thought that was pretty cute. But, you know, what you think? I have done this two ways. I've done my crown in two parts, and I have done it before, just twisting up all the hair and wrapping it around. For me, I like for my bun to sit high, because since this is a lot of hair, I love for my bun to hit high. When I had it kind of closer to the back of my head, like the crown part of my head, it feels like it pulls too much. Shorter pieces. So this is shorter. I am twisting it. So I will cross it over, start twisting it. What I'm getting ready to do is start tucking it. I tucked in from about here around to here till I got to the ends, and I tucked it. And that's how I got my bun. Now what I do is I'll play around with it. The bun never looks the same. Never looks the same. And as I told you, I don't do like laying it down and etching out the baby edge. No, I'm a grown woman. Can't do that one. That's for the young girls. But I'll just, if I feel I need to do anything, I might wet it some, or I do a little some setting foam. Hope you like it. And like I said, this right here, normally I would wait and straighten it up, but that wasn't what you was looking for. You was looking for how I achieve my bun. All my time is trying to get all this hair into the ponytail. That takes a good little while, trying to get your hair into the ponytail. Let me just throw in a couple other things I did while I had these braids. I did, you know how you do that half up? They do the half up with a knot and then have some down. Well, I don't care for the knot on top and then half your hair down. So what I did was about this much in the front going back. And then what I would do is take some of the sides, about that much. About that much on this side. And about, so this is what it looked like on this side. So it's about that much hair on each side. Then I have to make sure the middle parts stay straight. Take this and tie it in like I'm about to tie my hair in a knot. Now you can pin it from here to make sure that it stays, but for me, I found that it stayed. So that's me and my another top knot, but not exactly the typical top knot. And right here I could, you know, just kind of stick a pin in it to make sure that it stayed, or take this hair right here and kind of put it over that, and then, you know, to make it lay down. So let me see what I'm looking like from the back. Let me look at it. It almost goes into looking like a braid. So you see that? So that's what you look like from the back. And what you can do too, take it even further. You want to go further. Take about this much. And tie it again. So I have done that too. So these are hairstyles I have worn that I'm showing you. Like I said, 1, 2, or 3. Then you just leave the back down. How about that? I think this is so cute. Just different ways I found easier. And then I didn't fool with hairpins. Once I did it the first couple of times I had to do the hairpins, I thought that was way too much. So I felt, okay, let me see. And once it loosened up where I can really manipulate my hair, it was great. So now I can manipulate it so well to where it's just like, it's nothing to it now. It's really nothing to it. But yeah, so I just leave the front part here, tie a knot here, take it, do it again, tie a knot, third time tie another knot. And there you go. That's I think it's a nice, easy style. Now I did do this one, and I did it on a video, and I thought this was really cute. Space buns. I thought it was really cute. So for this one, you just make sure you take your hair down the middle as much as you can, because my part is not exactly down the middle. So you go down your middle as much as you can. Now this one really pretty much do require some hairpins, kinda, to be honest. So you do half and half, okay? So this one, so you take your fingers through it, rake your fingers, trying to make sure you got all your hair together. Take a step over, get my band. And we're here. I'm gonna start tucking. And my space buns, do I not look? But I thought this was just way too cute. Now, what I would say is why I would use the hairpins is to kind of keep it more like that. I think for my first time having braids, I must say I did pretty good. I learned me a couple of new styles. I enjoyed them. They was very easy, laid back and relaxed. I don't know what else to say. I hope this look good though. But that's all I have for you guys today in this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. I definitely thank those who wanted to for me to do this video. I had said it from the beginning I would do it. Then I started thinking, well, because I kept putting it in my crown, I was like, well, there's no need of me to do it. But when I kept getting requests and, you know, people were mentioning, you know, oh, I like how, you know, your bun is. How did you get it like that? And I was like, well, let me go ahead and do the video. So this is the video. And I hope you guys really did enjoy it. I did. I had a good time recreating some of my good braid opinions or updos. Well, thank you guys for watching. If this was your first time, thank you for coming. I hope you take time to peruse through some of my videos and then become a subscriber. I love and I enjoy doing my hair, so I love sharing that. That's one of the #1 things I enjoy doing. And I like a little fashion, I like a little home, I like a little everything. So if you think that's something you will enjoy, please take the time to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any videos that I upload. I would like to thank my old subbies for just riding along with me in another video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. In love.